Alrighty guys, real quick, y'all recognize this, a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica that happens to be a hybrid edition. Now, I'm gonna talk to you DIY mechanics out there, you guys that don't work in a shop where all the sophisticated tools and equipment are. This is what you can look forward to. Now, it does me no good to make videos on new cars like this because you guys probably won't see these for another 5 years maybe, I don't know. But let me tell you what you can look forward to. Y'all remember the good old days, you get a check engine light on, you can simply scan it, find out what the code is, and the code will lead you in the right direction. Well, here's a little switcheroo they doing to us. Also, PCM or check engine light usually come on when your car is being affected or emissions is being affected. Okay, in other words, you polluting out into the atmosphere. You know, car makers don't want that anymore. All right, but now here's the new way of technology is going. Okay, not only emissions, not the only thing that can turn on a check engine light. You see that the check engine light is on. Now let me show y'all something that's crazy. Why the check engine light on? I got the code pulled up right here on my scan too. As you can see, what we working on, the Pacifica 2018. Now look at this code, guys. Do y'all see that? Lost communication with the radio. Yes, the radio don't work. Okay, the radio is down. There's a problem with the radio. But why on earth is the check engine light on? Because of a radio fault. Is the radio now having an effect on emissions? Remember, that's what they taught us and trained us the whole while we was being mechanic trainees, coming up, learning this stuff. Your check engine light on, that means you're possibly spitting out harmful pollutants, which can damage the ozone. You know the drill, okay? That's what they train us. But why on earth is this check engine light on? Because the radio dead. So if there's no communication with the radio, the check engine light on. Now, mind you, there's a lot of codes in other modules, such as the BCM, or the SCM. A lot of modules monitoring that radio want to know why isn't it on. So I got a lot of codes for lost communication with radio. But why this one? Why the PCM? Why the hell do the PCM give a damn about the radio operation? Who knows? It could be affecting emissions, you know? So I don't know. But for the most part, yeah, you guys can really look forward to changes coming down the pipe in the automotive industry. All right, I'm gonna get out of here, man. This is crazy. So this is not an engine problem. Let me go take this car in and diagnose why the radio ain't working. That's the only way I'm gonna be able to turn that check engine light off. It's crazy, man. All right, I gotta go, guys. I figured I'd ready you guys. All right, you DIY guys, y'all gonna need some badass scan tools to keep up with what's going on now. It's about to get crazy.